This is creativity at its peak. See nylon gown now. See nylon. She used it to create this beautiful gown. Are you kidding me? Hey, God. This girl is very, very good, honestly. I came across her, I'm like, this one is rubber band. This is rubber. See this fine gown. She used it to even make a necklace and a bracelet. And see, this is good for costume. If you use this one for photo shoot, you go fine. And she's so pretty. She's so fine. Her body is just making, like, popping all this creativity. Kai, girl, some people are talented. Oh, this is creativity at its peak, honestly. Then there's this one that she used pin to make. You see what this outfit is. She used it to make a cap and what is called, I think, yeah, this, you can call this a cap now, the head cover, whatever it is. And then she used sack to create a gown. Hi. And this one is watermelon, back of watermelon. Oh, back of watermelon. This outfit is good for, I think this one should be for wear it to the beach. People will just be staring at you like, oh, more. This one, this kind of outfit will make you the cynosure of all eyes. Because what is this? This girl is so talented. She used it for skirt, see, and then use this one to cover her breast. Watermelon, they throw away the back after eating. Oh, this girl is good, Joe. Talent de Nigeria. Forget it. This one is broom. Broom, Aziz Aija Zuno, broom that we used to sweep the house. See what she created with broomsticks. Can you imagine? And then people girls are so talented. I don't know, just discover your talent and you blow people's minds. This one is Okuchiboto, cover of I don't know, there's a name they call it. Top, I don't forget them, but it's the cover of the drinks, your soft drinks or whatever drinks is the cover. And she used it to create this masterpiece. And she boldly wore it to walk on the streets. Yeah. This is great. This girl is good, Joe. Kai, and see the boldness. This one is carton. I think these things that she's making, this girl, like people that are into, I think, music videos and whatnot, should just contact her. Her TikTok handle is Larry Chantel. This is newspaper. She used it to create fine gown. Hi, see how I'm just smiling watching this thing. This is just unique, like talents day. This one is a very unique talent, very, very unique. It's not something that you see a lot of people doing. This is I think it's periwinkle, Abi, yeah. And then she uses periwinkle to create an outfit with snail. She used this snail. I think it's the back of snail, or is this snail shell or whatever. What is it called? This one will be heavy. I know where but the way she carried it, I know it will be heavy on her. But it's fine. It's beautiful. Kai, more talent day. Honestly, when I see these things here, I watch it twice. See this one now. This is orange peel, back of orange. I don't understand this one. I don't know if this is I think it's aesthetic light. It's not real light. Then this is the same periwinkle. She used it to design what she's wearing. So fine. And she needs to. This is our granite. The granite back, they eat granite shells. See what she used this for. This one is, I think this is pineapple, yeah? This should be pineapple. Hi, and this will be heavy. I know. It is her boldness. I think this is it plantain leaves? I don't know if I'm correct. I don't know. I don't think it's plantain leaves because it's just too straight. I don't understand this leaf, but it's her boldness to wear it and walk on the streets, smiling and happy. Hi. I say people when they do music videos, she just contact her. And then people that are doing costume, that need different types of costume for photo shoots, for other things. She's good, I beg. She's very, very good. I just had to repost it. And she's so fine. Kai, talent day.